Hi, welcome to my channel Shiftable Mindset. Today I want to talk about something very normal, something we all feel but we don't really understand properly, and that is fear. I think most of us believe that one day I'll just feel ready, fully confident, no overthinking, no doubts, and then I'll take action. But if you really notice, that moment really doesn't come because the fear doesn't just disappear like that. In fact, the most of the time, fear is just your mind trying to protect you. It starts thinking about everything that could go wrong. Not because something is actually wrong, but because it wants you to stay safe. And the intention is not bad, but the result is not so good. It holds you back. You start waiting, you start thinking, you start telling yourself that maybe later when I feel ready. And this doesn't just happen in big situations, it happens in even small situations like speaking in front of people or even trying something new. And it's not the situation feels scary, it's everything your mind tells you before you even try. What if I mess up? What if people judge me? And before you realize it, you step back. Not because you can't do it, but because you want to feel more ready. But what if that's the mistake? What if you are not supposed to wait for the fear to go away? What if fear is always going to be there in some form? Then the real shift becomes very simple. You don't need to remove the fear. You just need to stop letting the fear to decide your actions. Like fear can be there, but you still take action even if it's small, even if you are not fully confident, because that's how things start changing, not when you feel ready but when you move anyway. So now instead of asking how do I stop feeling scared, maybe the better question is, can I still do this even if I feel scared? And if the answer is yes, even a little bit, that's enough to begin, because growth doesn't really come from feeling ready before taking action. It comes from taking action even when you don't feel really ready. So, fear is not something you need to eliminate, it's something you learn to move with and still keep going. And maybe that's all you need right now.